Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax returns. Filing your taxes correctly is a crucial annual responsibility for most individuals and businesses. It ensures you meet your legal obligations and can even result in a refund if you've overpaid throughout the year. We'll cover the essential steps, from gathering your documents to submitting your return, making the process clear and manageable. Let's dive into how you can confidently complete this important task. Before you begin, gathering all your necessary documents is the first critical step. This includes income statements like your W-2 from employers or various 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget records for potential deductions and credits, such as receipts for charitable donations, medical expenses, or student loan interest statements. Having everything organized upfront will save you significant time and reduce errors during the filing process. Once your documents are in order, you'll need to select a filing method. The most common approach today is electronic filing, often through tax software or with the help of a qualified tax professional. Electronic filing offers speed and accuracy, with many returns processed in less than 21 days. While less frequent, you can also file a paper return by mail. Choose the method that feels most comfortable and secure for your specific needs. The final stage involves a thorough review and submission. Double-check every section of your return for accuracy, paying close attention to numbers and personal details. An error, even a small one, could delay your refund or lead to issues. Once confident, submit your return electronically for the fastest processing, or mail your paper forms. Remember to file by the deadline, usually April 15th, to avoid any late penalties.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.